Affiliate marketing insights that can set you apart from the crowd. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant concept that is quite simple. Business A has a website and hosts an advertisement with a direct link to Business B. Business B does the same thing for Business A on their website. Both businesses benefit. This video can help to expand on the concept to increase traffic to your website. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often. It keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. Do not be afraid to try different programs. If you don't like one, try another. Check out things like payment structures, what each program provides, and how you can benefit. There is also no need to just go with bigger networks. Try viewing your favorite vendors to see what they offer. To improve the exposure and visibility of their affiliates' products, savvy website owners will review those products on their website. Not only does this foster interest and potential sales among the webmaster's visitors, but the webmaster can also submit the product review to video directories and indexes, boosting the visibility of his or her own site. Good affiliates are those that communicate with their partners. Beyond automated systems, FAQ pages and resource databases, an affiliate that offers rapid person-to-person conversation is going to be much easier to work with. Webmasters should recognize the value of such individual communication. An affiliate that responds immediately and personally to questions will ultimately be a better partner than one that is hard to communicate with. As already demonstrated, affiliate marketing has great benefits for both businesses. It also helps create a partnership between businesses, where only a competition existed before. This is a wonderfully beneficial partnership for both businesses. By understanding the concepts in this video and implementing them for your business, you can achieve a greater degree of success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.